Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Phyllis, and my channel is JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. Today I am coming to you to share a Goodwill haul, just a few things that I bought, and then I've already given a new look to some of the things that I bought, but I will leave a picture and short clips of what the items looks like before I change them. So I got everything spread out here in front of me, and I'm going to try to do this video as quick as possible. So the first thing I got, most of the things I got are glass, and I tend to gravitate towards glass because I like the finish of what it looks like when you spray paint it, and then I like the shape and style of some of these things. So initially when I went to go to Goodwill, it was last Friday. Today is November 7th, so it was last Friday, November 1st. I went solely just to look for two things. That is a lamp that is shaped like a ginger jar, and I did find that, and a vase that is shaped like the top of this popular Gallerie Alex vase. I did a DIY on my version of the Alex vase and the Clarion vase, and if you want to see that, I will leave the link in the description box below. And I found something very close to it. I'm still on the lookout for a bigger one, and I'll share that vase with you. But right now I'm going to share the things that I got in front of me and share with you what I plan to do with them. The first thing is and here's my Goodwill bag, and I got plenty of them. This one is this pretty vase. I love the shape of it, and it was $2.99. I don't plan to do anything but with this but to clean it and put flowers in it. I love the shape of it, so I'm just going to clean it up, and it's just going to hold flowers for me. And again, I said that was $2.99. Oh, and it was green tag, so on November 1st everything was 50% off. So actually this was $1.50. So I scored on a lot of things, not on what I wished it would have been 50% off, but I still did good. So I got that, and let's see, I got this piece of wood. This wasn't on sale, and it looked like it might be a cheese board, and I got it for $2.99. And I'm going to clean it, and my plans are to spray paint it white, cover the center part of it with some marble tape, and then find a glass dome to make it like a the dome that's on top. You know how plants or different types of things are under the glass. I can't think of what you would call it right now, but that's what I plan to do with this, is to paint it white and get some marble contact paper to go just in the center, and then later on this might be another thrift hunt to find a glass dome to go on top and just use it as decor. And again, that was $2.99. Okay, next I got two vases. They're just alike, and what I plan to do with these are the same things, the Clarion, the Alex vase. These are smaller and they're somewhat shaped, and I'm just noticing they're different. This one has a side wavy design, and I don't know if you can see that with the camera, and it was $129, and no, and actually 50% off, so whatever half of that is. And then this one is the orange sticker, $199, and these waves are straight up and down. And I was asking the lady at the register why they are different prices, but I see now. And this one actually is a little heavier. And I got that for $1.99. Again, I plan to do the Alex or the Clarion vase. And again, you can go to the link that I'm going to leave in the description box to show you how I created my version of the Clarion and Alex vase. But I like those. And then I got this big glass bowl with in mind to do a Gallerie dupe. And I have the bottom part here. Okay, so this is the glass bowl. And I'll leave a picture. What I'll do is things that I plan to do, I'll put a clip of what I plan to create from the things that I bought. And this is $2.99 glass bowl, and it's kind of sturdy. And this I'm going to put with it is a little bowl, was 99 cents. And if you can imagine the round bowl in between and this on top, we're going to spray paint it and glitter it to copy the Gallerie bowl. And oh, and I got these little bowls, 4 of them, and 2 of them I've already done something with, and I should save that for last. And I got them for $2.99, and it was a total of 4 of them. 2 I've already used and spray painted, and I'll show you what I did with those. And I just got this because I like the shape of it. It was 99 cents. And I have in mind what I'm going to do with it. I'll put a picture of what I'm going to do with this in the, I'll just drop a clip of a picture of what I plan to do. But again, it was 99 cents. And it's nice and thick. Oh, and this 50% off. So I paid $1 for it. And this was, looks like it might have been a Christmas tree jar, candy jar or something. The top didn't come with it, but this is going to be part of my Christmas decor. I'm going to find a top that fits it, or I'm going to do something with it, and it's going to sit on my coffee table or a foyer table somewhere. But I liked it because it's shaped like a Christmas tree, or half of a Christmas tree. And then, okay, let me make sure that's all in the bag. That's it. And then I found 3 of these posters, canvas, or I don't know if you can see it, $4.99. These were not 50% off because they were not green tag, but I got a total of 3 of them, and one was painted gray. I guess whoever had them was going to paint it gray, and I'm going to do some kind of acrylic art over these, but I got them $4.99 a piece. And again, I'm going to spray paint them white or cover them white with acrylic paint. And then once I change those, once I get ready to change them, I will do a DIY tutorial. Now I'm going to show you what I did with, see, I got it on my dining table, a lamp that looks like a ginger jar, and I changed the look of that, a vase that I transformed into an actual usable ginger jar, and then a little jar that I created into a small ginger jar. I got this ginger jar crave thing going on right now, so I like the way they look, and I'm going to, actually I'll take the camera over there so you can see them. Okay, just a moment. Okay, here is the lamp. I kept the black bottom and I glued it to it. And I put this is well, no, this is not one of the jars, but this is a candle, a tea light candle holder got from Dollar Tree, and I glued it on there using the Fix-All glue, and I spray painted it white. This is a jar, and I'm sorry, this, let me go back to this. This was $12.99. This was a lamp. That was $12.99. This was a vase. Let's see if the price is still on this. Oh, I forgot what the price. If I can find the picture, I think I took a picture of it before I spray painted. But it wasn't a lot. This was a vase by itself. This is a candle holder. This is one of those bowls. And then a knob, cabinet knob. And made a small ginger jar. This is a big candle plate, a medium-sized bowl, and this is the other jar that came in that pack of 4. And what I did, turn upside down, I put, woo! Let me pause this and get this back up. Hold on. Okay. That would have been a tearjerker for me if I had broken that, but I caught it in time. So let me get back to what I was doing. Okay, so I took some, to make this a stopper so that this plate would not slide off of this vase, I took some foam board and rolled it until it formed the shape of a circle, and I glued it onto the bottom of this candle plate with E6000, and then just covered it with this tape, this duct tape. And let me take the flowers out. Let me do something. I'm going to get my stand so I can be camera hands free. Hold on. Okay. So as I was saying, I took some foam board and I cut a strip, rolled it, put it in a circle, shape of a circle, and I glued it to the bottom of this plate or candle plate and did it permanently just so it can be like a stopper on some lids that you would see. And take these out. And here's, this is the vase. I'm gonna drop a picture of what it looked like. It's clear. I did. As I set this in here, and it keeps it from sliding off. Do I have that in view? Yes. Okay, that keeps it from sliding off. So this is my vase turned into a ginger jar. Covered. And it's so funny, to me this looks like a spaceship. But that's what I did with that. And I can keep it on the outside, put some flowers in it as well. And the reason why it almost fell, because I had it on this, and when I went to get it, this started sliding, which caused the vase to tilt, but thank goodness I caught it. That would have been a heartbreaker for me. But, and then this, let me bring it over here to see the actual lamp. Turned into a ginger jar, and this thing is heavy. I love the way it turned out. And this is the actual bottom of the lamp. I like the contrast, and that's why I left it black instead of painting it white. Okay, these are my faux ginger jars. Like I said, I got this ginger jar craze thing going on right now. I'll fix this up later. But I like the way it all turned out. Okay, so I'm going to wind this video down. Let me get back to the couch. So thank you all for watching this and sharing in my Goodwill haul.